Each week on HISD Now, we're selecting a new school to highlight as part of Campus Closeup series. And this week, we're bringing you stories from Cage Elementary in Houston's East End. The school has a lot of program offerings for students, including many after-school programs and clubs. The school's principal tells us this tight-knit community really relies on their parent volunteers.
We have the most amazing group of PTO parents who are here, and I'm not kidding when I say every day. I mean, they are, anything that I ask for help with, they are here in a moment and they come and they help out wherever needed. They want to be involved in the community, and I love that. I mean, the feel is just different when the parents come in. And so they're helping with a lot of the little things that we don't get to, like the celebrations and such. So that help from them makes it that we're forming just a stronger community overall, for sure.
We also sat down with members of the newly formed PTO, and they tell us they saw a need to help this year and decided to step up. In fact, right now they're getting ready for a big community celebration this week.
We're a group of parents that we're willing to help the teachers out in the community to have a lot of events that we haven't seen before here at Cage Elementary.
What kind of things do y'all need right now?
Volunteers, first of all, more parents that are willing to help their kids get a new prospect of the school, not just being school-wise, other with community and friends around. Without the PTO, we started Christmas, the Christmas event we had. And now that we have the PTO set up, we're doing our Cinco de Mayo of Theme Fest. So we're trying to do as much as we can with so little time.